Welcome back to ASP NET and SQL Academy. In this part, we will explore state management in React, showing how to make your components dynamic, reusable, and fully integrated with your ASP.NET Core backend. State management is the heart of dynamic web apps. It lets your React components respond to your user input, share data, and stay synchronized with the backend APIs. UseState is a React hook that lets you store local state in functional components. It's perfect for things like form inputs, counters, or togglers. Use effect handles side effects like API calls. We often combine it with useState to fetch data from ASP.NET APIs when the component loads. Sometimes multiple components need the same data. Instead of duplicating state, lift it to the nearest common parent and pass it down via probes. This keeps your data consistent. For larger apps, the Context API provides global state. It allows components at any level to access data without manually passing probes through every layer. Use reducer is useful for complex state logic. Instead of multiple use state calls, it centralizes state changes through a reducer function similar to Redux but built into React. Advanced React patterns help you build reusable and maintainable components. HOCS, render probes, and composition allow you to extend functionality without duplicate codes. Very useful for large ASP.NET projects. Your front-end state often mirrors back-end data. When a user updates something, update the backend via API and then refresh state. Optimistic updates make the UI feel responsive while waiting for server confirmation. Let us look at a practical example, a product dashboard. The list of products is stored in state, fetched with the use effect. Theme and other settings are shared globally using Context API, while CRUD operations update both the backend and the UI dynamically. For larger projects, organize your components, use global state management, centralize API calls in service files, and create reusable utilities. This structure keeps your ASP.NET plus React app maintainable. To summarize, we covered local and global state, reducers, advanced patterns, and integrating state with the ASP.NET APIs. Mastering these will make your React apps scalable and professional. In the next part, We will focus on performance optimization and best practices for production ready React apps integrated with the ASP.NET Core. If this tutorial helped you understand React state management, give it a like, subscribe and comment your questions below. Don't miss the next episode on optimizing full stack apps.